Have you ever noticed your dog sneezes during playtime or when they're extra excited? It's a funny sight that makes people laugh. Sneezing in dogs isn't always about allergies. It's often a way of communicating or signaling they're having fun. In fact, a playful sneeze is like a dog's laugh, adding joy to their interactions. For dog owners, recognizing the types of sneezes can offer insights into their pet's emotions and help manage any concerns. Viewers are invited to share their funniest dog sneeze stories and learn how to distinguish between playful and concerning sneezes, ensuring a lighthearted yet informative experience.